Creutzfeldt-Jakob's disease, known as CJD, is a rare neurodegenerative disease that terminates cell-to-cell communication between neurons in the central nervous system and affects 1 in every 1 million people. CJD is a result of the misfolding prion protein, which are integral glycoproteins. In a functioning brain, prion proteins, PRPC, have the ability to bind with multiple ligands. The most recognized ligand, copper ions, bind with the prion receptor PRPC. Then, PRPC, functioning as a scaffold, attaches to the fin kinases and activates the enzymes. PRPC has been proposed to react with copper ions to initiate a signal cascade that through fin kinase releases cellular calcium ions from the ER source. The calcium ions act as second messengers to facilitate cell-to-cell communication by protecting a nerve cell from apoptosis, modulating synaptic transmission, and enhancing learning and memory. Finally, the normal functioning prion goes to the lysosomes and is recycled back to the cell surface. PRPC becomes a misfolded prion when the mostly alpha helix structure are turned into beta pleated sheets, resulting in PRPSC. After the mutation, the PRPSC enters the cell's lysosome, in which it converts PRPC to PRPSC by altering their shape. Through exosomes, the PRPSC leaves the cell from the lysosome and continues to alter other neurons. The presence of a mutated prion affects the cell's transduction pathway by disturbing the original receptor and therefore damaging the neuron's ability to regulate calcium ions needed for synapses between neurons. The increase of PRPSC forms an abnormal cluster of amyloids, protein fragments, which accumulate in the brain, causing neuron death. This leads to cysts or holes within the brain caused by an accumulation of degenerative brain tissue. The 4 types and causes of this disease is sporadic, variant, genetic, and iatrogenic. Symptoms of CJD include anxiety, depression, memory loss, impaired thinking, blurred vision, or blindness. Next time you eat a hamburger, you have 1 in a million chance of receiving Creutzfeldt-Jakob's disease.